Hello, beautiful souls. How are you faring today? Do you feel like moving on? And I mean, just moving on. It's heavy. You're tired. You're soul weary. You're wondering if all of the healing that you've done, and it was vast, it is vast, where are the rewards? Because it feels like every time you make progress, something clings to you and yanks you back down again. But remember, you still moved forward. You still made it through. You still were that powerful. Being that powerful means that you're gonna have energies try to stop you. Is it easy? No. It isn't. But you know what? You are the one to do it. You are the one to set millions free. To show them with your story how you became and how you overcame. And it's hard right now. It's okay. Have some fun if you can. Squirrel energy. I'm letting you know you're fantastic and you are amazing and you are radiant. Oh, Sunny.